Rock, paper, scissors. Agra. Paper, scissors ni. What's up guys? Andito pala kami ngayon at welcome back sa Team Vlog. At hindi ako sure kung maririnig nyo ako guys, pero andito kasi kami sa parang park guys, at ito lang yung lugar na pwede kaming makagawa ng ganito. At ang gagawin pala namin guys ay rock, paper, scissors lang pala guys. At may bucket of onion rings tayo dito, at mga drinks at burger. So simulan na natin guys. Okay? Oh, this is the lead. This is your return. Ah. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ay!
I'm here.
Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ah.
I'm here. Stop. Rock, paper, scissors. Don't cover the camera. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ay! Ay! I hear him!
Paper, scissors. What? I'm here. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ah! Wait, does it have Whopper cheeseburger?
Happy siya guys. Rock, paper, scissors na eh. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Hi! I win all the time.
Paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Agra. Rock, paper, scissors ni. Rock, paper, scissors ni. Agra. Rock, I'm hungry ba? Rock, give me chance. Rock, paper, scissors ni. Rock, paper, scissors ni. Rock, paper, scissors ni. Rock, paper, scissors ni.
I walk that. I'm here. I'm here. Oi! Onion rings?
Where's the stick?
That's why you didn't bring. Ay!
No! Rock, paper, scissors. Rock,
Ah!
Rock, paper, scissors ni. I just opened. No! Don't be in the middle. Rock, paper, scissors ni.
Ah!
Rock, paper, scissors ni. Rock, paper, scissors ni.
Ay!
Why you so quick? Ah!
Hoy! Hindi! Hoy!
Mm.
Hoy! Hoy!
No! Let me eat. Ira, you're cheating.
Sabi
Rock, paper, scissors. Ira.
no.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay.
The worst person here.
Mm. Kita nyo guys, oh, grabe na yung pawis ko guys.
Rock, paper.
Rock, paper, scissors ni.
Oh!
No, stop. What if we do the flip the battle, no? That's all now. It's okay. Let's eat now, Papa. Guys. Grabe, nakapagod.
I think there's only one champion here.
Champion daw si Ira, guys. Grabe, nakapagod guys. So, grabe ang pawis natin. Who is the champion? Siya daw yung champion guys. Grabe nakapagod guys. Naiwan yung straw sa sasakyan guys, oh. Forget the straw. Onion rings. Linisan naman natin dito guys kasi para hindi sa walang kalit. Keep the environment safe. Linis na guys. So thank you.
Hello guys! Our challenge earlier was tiring, no? Yeah, really tiring guys. Nakapagod talaga at nakatulog kami at medyo masakit yung lalamunan namin guys. Sa init siguro to guys. At ayun, thank you sa panonood sa amin guys. At hope nag-enjoy kayo sa challenge namin ginawa ni Ira. Hope they enjoy our challenge, no? Malia! Malia! So, thank you para sa mga support nyo guys. At please don't forget na i-follow yung Facebook page namin, no? Follow our Facebook page guys. Please follow it. And shout out sa lahat ng gusto magpa-shoutout dyan. Comment down below. And thank you guys. Bye-bye!